in my earlier shorts, I have solved the question 3 upon 5 raised to power x into 5 by 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 125 upon 27. And in this video of mine, today I am going to explain this question. Okay, so how we have to find the value of x here. So let's do it. So in this, here it is 3.5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 upon by 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 125 upon 27. Okay, so here 3 upon 5 can be written as 5 upon 3 raised to power x. So according to the laws of exponent, this x raised to power minus n is equal to 1 upon x raised to power m, or vice versa. 1 upon x raised to power m can be written as x raised to power minus m in either ways. Okay, so we can write 5 upon 3 and here minus x. Okay, because we have to show that the 3 upon 5 will change to its reciprocal 5 upon 3 into 5 upon 3 raised to power 2x. So why we have changed 3 upon 5 as 5 upon 3? In order to apply the laws of exponent, we have to make the base equal. Okay. So now here 125. We know that 125 is the cube of 5. So 125 can be written as 5 raised to power 3. Similarly, 27 is the cube of 3. So it will be written as 3 raised to power 3. Okay. Now here we can generalize it. Minus x into 5 upon 3 raised to power 2x on 5 upon 3. The whole, because they are having the same power, so it can be written as this also. Okay, that is x upon y. Here it is n, and here also the power is same, so it can be written as x upon y raised to power n according to laws of exponents. Now, here the bases are same. So according to laws of exponents, when the bases are same and the operation of multiply is applied there, then the powers get added. Okay. So I am writing the law here into x to the power into x to the power n is equal to x n plus. Okay. Now the base is common, so we can write 5 upon 3 x plus x is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to power 3. Okay. Now 2x minus x will be plus x. So it will be 5 upon 3 raised to power x is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to power 3. Okay. Then the powers, because now we have all the same bases on either side, on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So now we will just compare the powers. So x will be equal to 3. So this is the solution. We got the value of x as equal to 3. So guys, if you are liking my videos and if you are finding it useful, beneficial, and my explanations are clear to you, then kindly subscribe to the channel and share my videos as much as possible and like my videos as well. Thank you so very much.